In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download statements from Northern Trust portal. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, I would like you to simply go ahead and request you to sign in into the Northern Trust Private Passport website. Then choose the specific account, so trust, brokerage, or banking you wish to view, and select e-documents from the go to drop down menu. Then click the view link next to the desired statement. Then use the Adobe Acrobat. To save the PDF file and you can view it. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.